Good morning, class 3. I hope you all are fine. Beta, today we will do lesson 1 of moral science. Our lesson is the water fairy. We will do the chapter the water fairy. Now, in this chapter, first of all of you have heard about the story the honest woodcutter. So, this is the story about that only. So, I will read this chapter for you and I will explain this one by one, okay? Now, all of you open the page number 5 of your moral science book. Vishnu was a poor woodcutter. Vishnu was a poor woodcutter. So, he was poor, alright? Vishnu was poor and he was a woodcutter. All what he had was an iron axe. He doesn't have anything to earn except his iron axe. One day he was cleaning his eggs by the riverside. So he was cleaning his eggs by the riverside. Alright. He dropped the eggs unwittingly into the deep waters of the river. So his eggs fell into the river. So he prayed to God to get the eggs back. Now he prayed to God to give his eggs back. He said, I have only one axe to work with, and that has fallen into the river. What he said, I have only this axe, and this axe had fallen into the river. Now, will I cut wood now? He was praying to God and said that how he will cut the wood now. If I don't cut wood, then my wife and children would die of hunger. So he said that if he will not cut wood, then his family will not get food and they will die of hunger. Suddenly, a fairy appeared from the water. Now, what he see? He see that a fairy appeared from a water. The fairy asked Vishnu what he was praying for. So fairy asked what happened, why he was praying. Vishnu narrated what had happened. Vishnu told the fairy that his eggs fell into the river. Then the fairy went down into the water and came up with 3 axes. Now, fairy went into the water and she brought 3 axes from the river. One golden axe, one silver axe, and third his own iron axe. Now, fairy brought 3 axes, alright? Silver, golden, and iron. The water fairy asked Vishnu which axe was his. Vishnu humbly said that he wanted only his iron axe so that he could work with it. Fairy asked Vishnu which axe is his. So Vishnu said, mine axe is iron axe. So he said to fairy that this iron axe is mine. So the fairy was so happy. Fairy was happy with Vishnu honesty because he was the honest person, that she gave all the 3 axes to the woodcutter. So as Vishnu was honest, so fairy give him all 3 axes. Now Vishnu sold his golden. The fairy was so happy with his honesty that she gave all the 3 axes to the woodcutter. Vishnu sold his golden and silver axes in the market and became very rich. So Vishnu sold golden and silver axe in the market and became rich. Now his wife and children could eat good food and wear expensive and attractive clothes. So his family was living very happily and they spent good amount on expensive clothes and they started eating good food. They were very happy, and he still continued to work very hard. So they were very happy. Woodcutter's family was very happy, and they continued to he continued to work very hard. So Vishnu was working very hard. So from this story we get that what message we get, we should always be honest. So honesty is the best policy. So you should always be honest. Alright, the next part of the chapter we will do tomorrow. Alright, now today all of you read this chapter, page number 5 of this chapter. Now next part of the story we will read tomorrow. Alright, thank you.